Hey there, business owners. Ever feel like managing your customer relationships is like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle? Well, let me introduce you to Pipedrive CRM, your new best friend in business management. First off, Pipedrive CRM is designed with simplicity in mind. No more headaches dealing with clunky interfaces. It's like having a friendly, super organized assistant who never sleeps. Imagine all your contacts, deals, and activities neatly organized in one place. You're not just getting a tool, you're getting peace of mind. For small to medium-sized businesses, Pipedrive is a game changer. It's perfect for sales teams, consultants, and even solo entrepreneurs. Why? Because it's intuitive and customizable. You can tailor Pipedrive to fit the exact needs of your business, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make it work. Now let's talk about some standout features. First up, the visual sales pipeline. This feature lets you see at a glance where each deal stands. You can drag and drop deals between stages, making it easy to manage your sales process. No more guessing games. Then there's the powerful reporting tools. Pipedrive gives you insights into your sales performance with easy-to-understand charts and graphs. You can track metrics like conversion rates, deal progressions, and revenue forecasts. It's like having your own business analyst on call 24/7, and let's not forget the automation capabilities. With Pipedrive, you can automate repetitive tasks, send follow-up emails, schedule calls, and even set reminders without lifting a finger. This not only saves you time, but ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Pipedrive's integration capabilities are also top-notch. It works seamlessly with popular tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and MailChimp. This means you can keep using the apps you love while Pipedrive acts as your central hub. It's all about creating a smooth workflow. Now, who will benefit most from Pipedrive? If you're in sales, consulting, real estate, or any field where managing relationships is key, Pipedrive is for you. It's especially useful for teams that need to collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. Even if you're a solo entrepreneur, Pipedrive can help you stay organized and efficient. The mobile app ensures you can manage your business on the go. No more missing out on opportunities because you're away from your desk. So if you're looking to elevate your business operations, give Pipedrive CRM a try. It's more than just a tool. It's a business partner that helps you achieve your goals. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips and tools. Until next time, keep growing and stay organized.